Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through HTML colors. HTML colors are specified with predefined color names or with RGB, HEX, HSL, RGBA or HSLA values. You can add colors to your elements. Let me give you an example. And here is a simple HTML document. Let me open this in my browser with Go Live. And this is actually a live server extension I'm using with Visual Studio Code. Alright, now I will have a paragraph, and I'm gonna add some lorem text here. Hit save. Now let's give a background color to this element. Just go back to your paragraph and in the starting tag type in here style attribute. Style equals double quotes, and I'm gonna give here a CSS property. Background color, let's select from here. I don't find it. Let's escape it and background dash color, and I'm gonna give it blue color. Let's save. Let's make it yellow. This is how you can give background colors to your HTML elements. You can also change the color of your HTML text. Let's move back to your paragraph starting tag and type in here another property, that is color, and I'm gonna make it, let's say, green. It's save, and our text turns to green. Now let's add some colorful border to our text. In here another CSS property, border, and the value would be, let's say, 4 pixels, and the type would be solid, and the color would be blue. Hit save, and there you go. Want to give a color with the opacity, you can do it with another alpha value. Just right click on your text and hit inspect to open DevTools. Let me maximize it. And if you need to learn more about DevTools, you can watch my video and find the links in the description below. Let's inspect this element, and here we have a colors. You can click on this icon to open the color palette and select any of the colors from here. And here we have right now hexa values, and then we have RGBA values, and here we also have opacity set to 1, and then HSLA values. If you want to give opacity to your colors, you can give it with a value, alpha value. Let's select some other color, and let's copy all of these values, RGBA, and go back to our code. Let's give the background color. Select this option and type in here RGBA parenthesis and type in here the value you see. here, 244 for R, 67 for G, and 54 for blue, and 1 for opacity. This one is for 100% opaque, and if you make it 0.5, hit save. Now it is 50% opaque. And you can also make changes. Here, choose your color and the opacity you want. And if you are satisfied with the settings, you can copy and paste it into your code. Alright guys, that's all for now. Thank you for watching and see you next time.